Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new in here, I'm Andreea and I'm a makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to talk about my summer essentials. Mostly beauty, skincare, but also some random things that I have to have, especially in the summer. And I think that after seeing this video, you're gonna need them too. You had no clue that you need them in your life, but I'm about to show you. I'm gonna start from head to toe. I don't care if you're staying in the sun, in your backyard, on your balcony. Sun is so strong, especially in summer, and it could damage not just your skin. I know that you are all already using SPF, but it could also damage your hair. And I am a little, I hate the word obsessed, but I'm paying a lot of attention to my hair. And this protective hair fluid from Sisley, this is something that you need. It has a lot of good oils that's going to not just protect your hair from the sun, but also protect the color in case you dyed your hair. And for those of you who have curly hair, I mean those beautiful curls, they need special attention. And this is great for curly hair as well. I apply this right before I'm about to get exposed. Do your hair a favor and show it some love with a good product. The next product is the Tan-Luxe Illuminating Self-Tan Drops. I've been talking about this product before. It's not my first time, but you guys, this is going to change your life. I'm telling you. I personally hate to expose myself in the sun. Therefore, I mix 2 drops of this with my moisturizer every 3 days, and I get this beautiful tan. You guys, right now, I don't have foundation. I've done this look on my stories. If you guys have seen this look, you know that I did not apply foundation, and by not applying foundation, I'm not one of those people that is trying to trick you, telling you, oh, I have no foundation, but then I use concealer like all over my face. No. Every time I see a video on YouTube saying, oh, no foundation routine, I'm like the first one to click. What's your secret? You look so good. And then I see people using concealer instead of foundation. You're tricking me. You can't say no foundation routine and then use concealer all over your face. This guy will give you that healthy tan. On my body, I'll use something else, which I'm going to talk later. But on the face, I use this and I am crazy about it. I use the medium dark. All the products, by the way, are listed in the description down below. Another thing that I love about this product is that not only that you don't really use as much foundation and that it evens out your skin and gives you that beautiful bronzy color, but also I feel like the contrast between my skin on the face and my dark circles is not as high, so I use less concealer now. You need this in your life. You're welcome. Going down to talk about natural deodorant, paraben-free, aluminum-free, because this is what you need. And I'm very happy to partner with Native in this video. You guys, I've made the switch quite a while ago, and I think we all have that moment when we realize, damn, I could use something better. Like I'm doing something to my body that it's not really healthy. And that was when I, started to hang out more with my friend Anka. And I think we all have that friend. She is vegan in every aspect of her life, gluten-free. So basically, she was the one who explained to me how unhealthy antiperspirant, I'm not sure I pronounced this correct, but like traditional deodorants are for our skin, for our health. Because the traditional deodorants are full of chemicals, are full of aluminium, and the way they work is they clog the pores, and it does not allow the body to properly release the sweat necessary for our body to cool down. This is not an antiperspirant. This is a natural deodorant that will not stop you from sweating. However, you will not smell. It is not sweat what gives the bad smell, because the sweat is basically salty water. What gives that smell is when sweat meets the bacteria that we naturally have on our body. Now this switch, this change can be easily done with a natural deodorant. Now if you have never tried a natural deodorant, your body is going to adapt. What I did when I first started to use a natural deodorant, I literally checked myself and asked my husband to check me out, because sometimes, you know, you can get used with your own smell. So I would check all the time to see like when I'm actually starting to smell. You guys, I never ever smell. I work out at home and then I take my shower. I use deodorant, and I would say I take my shower around 9:30, and then I take another shower at night because this is my routine. In between, I never smell. The native deodorant, it's vegan and cruelty free, and I got the citrus and herbal musk. I got the cucumber, you know, that vegetable, and mint. This is so subtle. I love this. And then I also got the unscented one for Alex. The way you want to use this, okay, don't get crazy with it, okay? It's not that type of deodorant. You literally need to do like 1, 2, 3 maximum. It's very creamy, very pleasant to apply. If you ever apply too much, you could just massage it into the skin. 3 deodorants are normally $36, but if you use my link and my code that I've put in my description box, you get 33% off. And if I'm doing the math, which I'm not good at, that's
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
$25, $24. You paid $24 for 3 deodorants of your choice. Now we're done with the others. We're gonna move on lower. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. You need them. Nipple covers. I don't really use these in the winter. I mean, why would I use them? I'm wearing like a bra, t-shirt, sweater. But in summer, thin materials. I honestly use them even if I'm wearing a bra. You know, sometimes I'm wearing those very thin bras and they're just present. So I'm using these, and these are the best. Don't even think about getting anything else because I've tried everything, okay? I cannot tell you how useful nipple covers are in summer. You will have the link of these particular ones in my description box. The next product is very expensive. I had to warn you. My name is Andrea, and I have an addiction to obscenely expensive body creams. This is not really a summer essential, but it's a summer essential for me. There is no body cream in this world that does what this one does for my upper body. Now, do you think I use this all over my body? Hell no. That's expensive. I'm not gonna waste it on my legs. I wear jeans and leggings all the time. We're gonna talk about legs later. This very, very natural glow, this very hydrated skin that is not sticky, that's very pleasant at touch. Mer The Body Crème. I've always received compliments on how beautiful my skin looks and how it has a healthy glow. It's this. Since we talk about body, let's talk about self-tanner or tanning products. And I have 2 products that I use all the time. One of them is the Loving Tan Bronzing Mousse. If you like the color of my skin, it's this, okay? I am normally much lighter than this. I would say this gets my skin about 3-4 tones darker than what it is. And I know there will be people who are going to tell me, oh, you have to embrace your natural skin. Don't get me wrong, I have nothing against my skin. I think I have a beautiful skin color. However, in summer, I feel, it's just my opinion. Can I have an opinion? Thank you. That I look better and that my clothes look better, more expensive. The colors look more vibrant when I have a little bit of a tan. I work like a maniac. I don't have time to go to the pool. And if I get the chance to actually sit at the beach, I get very bored of doing nothing. I'm like, okay, what's gonna happen now? I just sit like this and wait for the sun to like put the print on me. Like, I don't have the patience to get a proper tan. So for me, this is the best. It requires a little ritual. You need to exfoliate. You need to take a shower, exfoliate, shave, hydrate your hands, hydrate your feet, elbows, knees. Apply this, wait for a couple of hours, take a shower, and then the tan will be revealed. But guys, it's totally worth this whole ritual because you're going to have the tan. I have the tan for about 14 days. For the first 10 days, the tan looks spectacular like this. I have nothing to complain about this product. Not only that I don't have anything to complain, I would recommend this to everybody. I recommend it to my best friend. I recommend it to my cousin. Like, I recommend it to everybody. And I recommend it to you. Could I use it on the face? I guess I could. I haven't tried it. I'll be honest with you. If you're gonna use this, make sure you hydrate your skin every day. If you want to maintain the tan, you gotta nourish it. You gotta pamper it. You gotta bath it. You gotta love it. Moving on. Another bronzing product, but this is temporary. This is the product that I usually use at the beginning of the summer when I only expose, like for example, I'm going somewhere and I have a top and my arms are exposed and maybe I don't want to do the whole routine for the self tan. That's when I use this. This is the By Terry Tea to Tan Face and Body Water. It's basically like a water. Super easy to apply. Actually, let me show you. If you can put your hands also on this brush, it's a really, really great brush, especially for this product. I spray it directly on the brush. I already have the tan, so I'm not sure if this is gonna do anything to me right now. Can you see? It's very, very subtle. But for me, sometimes it's just enough to feel comfortable to wear a skirt or a pair of short pants or a top with no sleeves. It's undetectable on the skin. I love this product. And trust me, if your skin is fair, you're gonna see this product on your body, but not, like I said, it's very subtle, it's very elegant, just like the whole brand By Terry. And it does not stain or rub off your clothes. You need to literally take a shower, properly wash your body to get this off. I use $275 cream on my upper body and $3 cream on my legs. This is balanced for me. Do I need to say why I like this? The whole universe knows. Nivea. I use it because it hydrates my skin and because it has a pump and yeah, and it's cheap, which allows me to get my expensive La Mer. Seriously, guys, I like this a lot. However, it's very, very greasy. And my trick is I apply this on the legs and then I have a pair of pants that I got about 10 years ago from a brand called Yamamai. They're actually leggings and it's a fabric that I have not found anywhere else in this world. They're black. I'm wearing them right now, but I'm not going to show it to you because they're destroyed. And in 10 years, they have quite a few holes, but here's why I use them. I've noticed that when I apply this on my body and then if I'm trying to immediately dress, because it's so hydrating, it stains my clothes. It stains my jeans. If I'm wearing something that has a very fine, like silk or forget it, I first take these pants, these leggings on, and like I said, that fabric is very, very interesting, so it leaves my skin feeling so hydrated. I've tried to find them, nowhere to be found. Like I said, they're very, very old, but that's a trick. Maybe you have a pair of old leggings at home or some pants that you don't care about. Put them on after this. Let it on for like 5 or 10 minutes, take them off, and get dressed with whatever you wanted to get dressed in the first place. This way you're not going to stain the clothes, but you will still have the hydration. Perfect Legs Skin Miracle from This Works. When I first tried this product, I wasn't even on social media. That's how long ago I started to use this, and I loved it. I found it first on Net-a-Porter. It's basically a tinted moisturizer for your legs. It looks like this. Don't get scared by the color, because when you spread it, it gets super pretty. Again, it gives you that beautiful, healthy looking skin. And this product is just so practical. You spread it on, not to mention that this comes with hydration. So the skin feels very, very hydrated. The difference between this and this is that this comes also with hydration. So it's a cream, it's a lotion, very pleasant, very soft. It's not too greasy at all. This is a water. It's literally like instant tanning product that does not provide hydration. It just gives you the color and that's it. I think this is great if you're only looking to like tan your legs, and this is pretty much for all over your body because, like I said, it does not rub on your clothes. I said head to toes, literally. I cannot stand dry heels that have like cracks. I have a problem ever since I was a kid. So as a kid, I would go to sleep. My mom would bathe me. I would go to sleep and I would ask her if I could have a little bit of cream to apply on my feet. My feet get very dry. Some people have a problem sweating. I have a problem with incredibly, extremely excruciating dry feet. And if I am around with people, you know, and if someone is wearing sandals, you would probably think that I look at people's makeup, right? I look at their feet. I don't have a feet fetish. I just don't like dry feet. This is the solution. Perfect Heels Rescue Balm, the best product for your heels. I have this on my nightstand. I use it every single night because during the day, if I apply this and I get my feet into the shoe, sometimes it can be too slippery, but I wear this at night. After I take my bath, I use that file for the heels, not every day, but you know, from time to time I use it to get rid of the dead skin, and then I apply this. Baby feet. Baby feet. This is so good. It's super nourishing. I wish you could feel the texture of this. It's so like hydrating. When you apply it, feels like you're dressing your heels with a coat of luxurious hydration. It's amazing. I love it. You didn't know you need this, but now you know. Get your rescue balm on and then get your heels on and you're ready to party. Well, we're not really partying right now, right? Last but not least, jewelry. Come on, if you don't wear jewelry in summer, then when? Such an important detail in every single outfit, and to be honest, I feel like even if I'm wearing a white $10 t-shirt, I make sure it's ironed. That's what makes it look expensive. And then I put on some really nice jewelry. It just elevates every single look. It makes it look more expensive. It makes it look more polished. And it could complement, depending on your skin tone, it could complement your skin tone. Like, I love golden jewelry. I love it. All my jewelry is from Cinco. I love them so much, first, because they're from Portugal. I love Portugal. Second of all, I love the owner, Lee Furtado. She's not gonna watch this video, but I follow her on Instagram. She's got a beautiful family and a French Bulldog, which I absolutely love. And it is Cinco that sent me that French Bulldog necklace. My bracelet is Cinco, my necklaces are Cinco, my earrings are Cinco. They're gold platter jewelry and I have a lot of them. Like, if you guys want, I can make a video only with Cinco jewelry and show you everything that I have from them. I bathe with them, work out with them. I use perfume. They're super good quality. The gold will not fade. And if you don't use it in summer when you're wearing spaghetti straps tops and t-shirts and white shirts, then I mean, when? In winter, when you're going to have like scarves and gloves and jackets? I really think that in summer, jewelries are like shining. That is their moment. I'm sure you have a favorite brand of jewelry that you like. Mine right now is Cinco. If you guys want to check it out, I have a discount code for you in my description box. It is an affiliate, so I make a little bit of commission out of that, but you don't have to get anything. You know that, right? In general, I think that jewelry is completing a look. All right, guys, and these were my summer essentials. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram. I'm very active on stories, showing you new products, new looks, taking you around Paris. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Nivea. That's another. Compared with